So everyone knows how Windows 10 is a curse for old games. Not for the old games, but for the new games as well. So I'm back with the solution of major issue here. The issue is mouse is not working very well with the game Grand Theft Auto San Andreas in Windows 10. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to select options here like start game, options, quit game. I'm trying to select start game, nothing is happening. I'm tapping on options, nothing is happening. As you guys can see, start game, nope, nothing is happening. Options, nope. Quit game, nothing is happening. So just leave it right there. Go to your task manager, select GTA San Andreas, go to details, and after that again select GTA San Andreas, set affinity, and in that part uncheck all the processors, just select CPU 1, and after that OK, and after that just run the game again. We have done the settings here, and now as you can see the mouse is working. Let's start the game. The game is loading. Okay, here's the movie part. Okay, here's the movie, the starting of the game. Let's try to skip. Okay, now as you guys can see, I'm trying to shoot the gun with the mouse, and it's working pretty fine. It's working very good. We're trying to shoot the RPG here. Okay, it's working. So guys, if this method helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and please share the video if this method helped you in any way. Thank you so much for watching. It's Infamous One signing out. Thank you so much. God bless.